Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to set up an easel. On screen right now you are seeing the sign or painting holder. And this is the easel stand with 3 legs. Remember, this is a metal easel. To unlock the stand, you will snap, snap, and snap, and snap again. This will ensure what type of height you want. Next, you will slide up the legs to the preferred height you want. When you're satisfied with your height, you will lock it in place. Right now on screen, you're seeing a nail sticking out of the easel. What is that for? That is right, for the holder. The holes on the holder will connect to the nails, and therefore it will stay in place and not fall. Next, we will set up the painting or sign locker. You see on screen that the locker has been set up to its highest point and still does not reach the top edge of the painting. That's why we will use a Lego as an example. If it were a sign or a smaller painting, you would do this to ensure it would not fall. Next, when you want to finish holding the painting or sign, you will pack your easel. You will group the legs and lock them in place so they don't fall. Like so. You will push the longer legs, which make the height a little bit taller, and you will lock it in place so it does not fall again. You will lock, and then you will lock the lock so it doesn't fall. Now the legs will still open. This is where the holder comes in. You will use this Velcro to wrap it around the legs and to hold the holder in place. And now nothing will happen to the easel. And that is how you set up and pack a metal easel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And share this video if you ever need help setting up or packing an easel. Thanks and goodbye.